Deshaun's literally stalking me. I literally don't know what to do. I feel like I really should like lay low for real.
You mean to tell me you really worried about that dumbass shit?
I mean, why not? Like, people are after me.
Yeah, but you mentioned Deshaun. That nigga name ain't ringing no bells in these streets.
That's what you say.
That's what I say, but you know me, right?
Yeah,
So you good. Don't listen. Say less. You good. Don't worry about that shit, man. We gonna handle that. All right? All right, we good, all right? You trust me, right? I'm gonna get up out of here, all right?
All right.
Call me if anything.
I will.
All right.
Okay.
How you doing?
Well, no, but I'm look like him right now.
No, I'm sure
Tired of this shit. They can do this shit to me out your fucking mind. What is wrong with you? Give me this fucking money out of the gate. Give me all your shit. Bitch.
Big up Jamaicans. Welcome to
Take it. I got 2 more copies anyway.
Jamaica, this shit can't get out. Too many people gonna get hurt. You included.
Okay, well, if you leave me the fuck alone, then I won't get out.
As long as you got them copies, I'ma always come back.
Okay, whatever.
Fuck is you mean? You niggas know you can't fuck with my team. Bitch, I got dozens of shooters who come with them Lucas, equipped with compressors and beams. The fuck is you mean? Fuck is you mean? Cushion my blunt and my cup is you mean? Bitch, I've been hot for like 24 hours.
Okay, let me tell you. What? Guess how much I made last night? Girl, how much is this? Yes. Girl, how much? 10 stacks. 10 stacks? Yes, this is what I'm talking about right here. Girl. Yes, girl, make sure you keep Jamaica out the loop, yo. We do not need her. Jamaica? Jamaica who? And what was her shop for? Las Chicas. Las Chicas. Yes, girl, but make sure you stick to the plan. Like I said, we came in here to stack the money, and now we out this game.
We out. It's just me and you.
That's
Just
all
out.
we need.
I'm sick of all this shit, especially them bitches.
Your sister and your niece?
Fuck them, kill them both.
That's your fam.
You know what fam mean to me?
Right.
Fuck all members.
Shit, all I needed was the green light, man. Consider it done.
Fuck is you mean? You niggas know you can't fuck with my team. Bitch, I got dozens of shooters who come with them Lucas, equipped with compressors and beams. The fuck is you mean? Fuck is you mean? Cushion my blunt and my cup is you mean? Bitch, I've been hot for like 24 hours and ain't even showered. Shit feel like a drink. Feel like you mean? Jack, Jack.